The Lessons of Nature by William Drummond. Of this fair volume which we world do name, if we the sheets and leaves could turn with care, of him who it corrects and did it frame, we clear might read the art and wisdom rare. Find out his power which wildest powers doth tame, his providence extending everywhere, his justice which proud rebels doth not spare. In every page no period of the same, but silly we like foolish children, rest well pleased with colored volume, lips of gold, fair dangling ribbons, leaving what is best on the great writer's sense, never taking hold. Or if by chance we stay our minds on out, it is some picture on the margin wrought. Let us know about William Drummond, poet, very impressive Scottish poet. William Drummond may be said as successor of Spenser. The learned Scot poet was familiar with Greek and Latin classics. He wrote in the purest English. His sonnets in the Italian manner are brimful with literary reminiscences, still impregnated with his own melancholy sweetness and his love for natural scenes, which overrides, overturns, sets aside all conventions.